I saw it look like a horizontal vortex sticking out of it for a minute there.
Are you recording it, Mark?
No.
I mean, we recording it?
No. It's been recorded.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, that's a massive tornado. I'm going to zoom in on some of the crazy motion on the left side there.
Good idea. Why don't you do that and I'll say why.
Filling in the south, sometimes that will kill the storm. In fact, let's put that thing up.
Oh, here it is.
Let's put the. You see it there? Yeah, I can see it there.
Oh man, check that out.
When could you not see it?
West.
Wow, that's a big one. I'm just glad I know where it's at, you know?
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado
Whoa!
northeastern Canadian county.
Look at there, there's a satellite one on the left.
Southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At
What about right here?
6:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm with a history of producing tornadoes was located 127 and 151. Take cover now.
Is that coming at us?
I think so. I mean,
Let me get one picture.
yeah, go ahead.
Otherwise,
Looks like it's going a little bit north.
Way on the lowest floor. Stay away from windows and outside walls.
Power lines.
Extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Holy cow.
This large and
Not sure
destructive
if either of
tornado.
those took it. I
Take
couldn't tell
cover
because I was getting
immediately.
blasted.
A basement or storm shelter is best. Otherwise, take cover in an interior closet or
Jeez.
bathroom away from outside walls and windows. Cover your head with pillows and blankets.
That is gargantuan.
I know.
Hey, Don,
Yeah.
would it be even possible to go back down to that other road and go east?
Holy cow.
I think so.
Whoa!
Wow. We getting back in?
We may want to jet because we're about to. It's about to get shrouded. Let's go.
Alright, I'm on.
Let's go.
Okay, it's right here.
Oh my God, dude, it's right here.
I know.
Dude, we gotta go south.
No, we're okay.
Are you sure?
It's going northeast. It's here. See, it's right here. This is the edge of it.
Well, that's right, Mike. If you
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Just hope the RFD isn't hard.
huge tornado right now. I'm just saying.
We are a quarter of a mile away.
Not even.
An eighth of a mile away of a tornado.
Yeah, we're okay.
Okay, go back to David's screen. Back to David's screen. David, you're still with us. We got your screen.
We're in the RFD.
Still see the tornado.
Oh my God.
Are we moving?
Dude, it's right here.
We're moving.
Toss an oil tanker truck an entire mile. Homes were completely obliterated and 9 people lost their lives, including 3 victims whose vehicles were struck on Interstate 40. One vehicle was thrown 780 yards, had its frame torn from the body and wrapped around a tree. The passengers were found a quarter mile away, stripped of their clothing and left unrecognizable. In the moments after a devastating tornado, the first people to arrive and begin searching for and assisting victims are often storm chasers.
Everything is, there's power lines everywhere.
Look at that monster. Gotta do the focus. I think that's a tornado.
It's quite loud.
North of due east. Let's go to the south Doppler here. We'll kind of shift gears here. Look at it. Had a large donut hole in it. So it's up to well, the donut hole was about a half mile in width. And that whole thing's the debris ball. That whole thing's the tornado and the debris ball. So David's been showing you all that debris going up like a V, like that. That's the radar sees that V, and that's the debris ball. This is huge hail up here. It could be grapefruit size hail. When you get a violent tornado, it'll produce grapefruits pretty easily. Up here, pretty close to the Canadian county line, going into Piedmont right now and up toward Four Corners. Beam comes through. Look how the debris ball is perfectly circular, and that's going to be at 100. Now it's 122nd. And Memorial Road at Manning Road. That's where it is right now. 122nd and Memorial at Manning Road, north of Banner, just to the west-northwest of Richland by a couple of miles. You folks in Piedmont, this is very serious for Piedmont. Very serious for Piedmont down to Sundance and Surrey Hills and northwest Edmond and Deer Creek, Edmond and northwest Oklahoma City. It's doing that wobble. It wobbled to the north and it's been wobbling back to the south again. But right now it wobbled to the north. David said it was hauling.
Hey,
that's when it was wobbling up to the north a little bit more. And it's wobbling back and forth as it comes into northeastern Canadian County here. David, are you still with us? Only. Yes, north of Hampton. We've got it at Memorial and 122nd between Banner and Manning Road.
Yeah, you're right. It's
more power flashes from Jim Gardner. More power flashes.
What am I doing? Oh my God.
Jim, we see your power flashes out there. It's so thick and unstable out there. He's having difficulty. You're getting a lot of power flashes out there.
That's right, Mike. We are. And I just crossed over Banner Road, headed towards Richland here. Trying to fill out. The inflow is so strong, though, we're having a real hard time to keep from having being pushed towards it. So I'm having to kind of fly sideways here, but it's really hard to see, Mike. We saw the dust ball there for a minute. That was
oh my God!
Up and rained so hard. Good thing David Payne is on the ground because he's got the best visual of it. Because right now it's so buggy out here, and a lot of humidity in the air, a lot of rain. We're
northwest of Binger. Tornado on the ground, moving very fast, getting power flashes.
into it. It is coming to us. It's coming towards us.
Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh. Guys, come on. Get in the shelter. David, seriously.
Yeah, it's just staying in that area, so that tells me it's coming towards us.
Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, guys, please.
Okay.
Yeah, we need.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Come on.
Unbelievable. Look at that. Tornado on the ground. 281, Oklahoma. About to cross. Tornado about to cross the road.
We got. Oh, it's getting turning EF5. Here he goes, boys.
It's huge. It's getting bigger. Look at it.
Car, zoom in on that car. Zoom in on that car.
I'm zoomed in all the way. Zoomed as I can be. I don't know if he's going to clear it. He's got it. He's out of it.
281. There it is, Lord. Tornado.
Where's it going from us? Tracking.
Okay. Jeg er bare bange for det der fokus, der jeg kan ikke finde ud af det.
Jeg tror, at du bare skal finde på det der, fordi det er meget mere roligt. Så du også kan se. Det er jo fuldstændig vildt og vanvittigt.
Den er kæmpe stor.
Okay.